So if you look at this question now, limit x tends to infinity. When limit x tends to infinity, I can clearly say that 1 by x will tend to 0, correct or not? So take log on both sides. When you take log on both sides, we get something like this. Log. So I can say limit 1 by x tends to, limit 1 by x tends to 0, limit 1 by x tends to 0, 2x log of 1 plus a divided by x plus b divided by x square, that is equal to 2 log e base e. By default the base is e here. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Log e base e is equal to 1. So I can write limit 1 by x tends to 0 log base e of 1 plus a by x plus b by x square divided by 1 by x. I'll write like this, divided by 1 by x, that is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. So now for easiness, put 1 divided by x is equal to theta. So I can say limit value theta tends to 0 log base e of 1 plus a times theta plus b times theta square divided by theta should be equal to 1. Upon the application of direct limit, we will get here 0 by 0 form. So we will apply the L'Hospital's rule. So what do we get? Limiting value of theta tending to 0. Theta tending to 0 log to the base e. Okay. So what is this? 1 divided by 1 plus a theta plus b theta square. Okay. Into 0 plus a plus 2b theta whole divided by 1 should be equal to 1. If upon the application of the direct limits here, irrespective of whatever this value of b is, from here we can notice that b can be any set of real number, right? Irrespective of anything that the value of b is, we will easily get the answer of b does not matter, any value of real number. Theta when it tends to 0, 2b into theta will be 0 only. Here also it's the same thing. But here in this case, a value should be equal to 1. A value should be equal to 1 only when a is equal to 1 and b value belongs to the set of real numbers. LHS, left hand side of the equation, will become equal to the RHS. So therefore the value of a is equal to 1 and b is equal to any real number. This will be the answer to the question.